Hello, fellow Toastmasters. Today I'm doing a tutorial on how to print speaker introductions from the club website. When you are the Toastmaster of the evening, you want to have everybody's speech intro before you get to the meeting, whether that be physical or an online meeting. The way to do that is to go to the agenda that you are being the Toastmaster of the evening for, and you would go scroll down to this little print button. And what this does is brings up a prompt. This is how we print the agendas. But what you're going to want to do is hit this button here, print all speaker introductions. If everyone has populated the data in the club website and added their intro, as we do encourage everyone to do, you can print them all right from here. So that's why we encourage you to do it. It makes it easier for the Toastmaster of the meeting. You hit the print all speaker introductions. You will choose your printer, whichever one you want to use, and you hit print. I'm going to cancel it out. I'm not really going to print it, but I wanted you to see what this looks like. It is a speech introduction, and it's your first speaker, their project time, and the intro they entered onto the website. So usually we have 3 speakers. In this case, we did. And those are the introductions. And you could put them in a Word document and make the font a little smaller if you want, but it's kind of nice to have the big font. That is how you print speech introductions. It's a little print button, and you hit the print all speaker introductions. I hope that this was helpful, and we will see you at the next meeting.